Hello everyone, welcome again to Software Tech. Today I am going to start a brand new series on how to set up Google Analytics with WordPress website using GTM in 2024. In this series I will cover how to connect GTM with the WordPress and then will integrate Google Analytics, and at the end I will show you how you can create button tracking and conversions in Analytics. We will do it in the parts and I will create a playlist for that. You can find the link in the description below. If you don't get the next videos, please bear with me. I will create the new videos and upload it in the few days. So let's begin. So in this video, first of all, I will connect GTM with my WordPress website. So for this, I will open a new tab and I will search GTM. Now open Google Tag Manager. And here I already have some accounts that I am currently using, but for this video I will create a new account. Here I will add my company name, so I will add my website name. Then I will select country and will check this box. Now I will add container name. I will add my site just to remember it, and I will remove this HTTPS protocol. And then you have to select the targeted platform. I am going to track web, so I will click on web, then click on create, check the boxes and then click on yes. Now the GTM will provide you a code that you have to add in your theme files, but in this video I will show you how you can add this code into your WordPress site without editing the theme. So go to your WordPress site and open the dashboard, and here you have to install a plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. Here search for WPCode and install this WPCode plugin. After installation, click on activate. Now the plugin is successfully activated. You can see WPCode snippet here in the sidebar. Now here you have this option header and footer. We have to put in the code here. Now go to the GTM and here you have this instruction: paste this code high in the head of the page as possible. Copy this code and here paste the code in the header. Then copy the second code. You have to add this code immediately after opening body tag. So I will add this code in the body. Now I will save the changes. Now the code is successfully added. Now I will click on OK. Now I will submit and I will add the version name. You can add any name, so I can remember what I did in this version, and then I will publish it. Now you can see it is published. But to check it whether it is working or not, I will go back to my site and I will open the home page. Now if you are using the Chrome, you have to install an extension. I will search Google Tag Assistant extension. Here you can see the Tag Assistant Legacy extension. Click on it and then click add to Chrome button. Add it to your Chrome. Now the extension is added. I will pin it and I will go back to my site. Now I will click on this extension, check all these boxes and click on done. And here you can see we have this one GTM tag. You can check the code under here: GTM PR2 LHG G7. Go to workspace and here you can see the tag name. So we have successfully connected the GTM with our website. In the next video I will show you how you can integrate Google Analytics with your WordPress website using GTM. So be with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon so you don't miss the notification of the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.